Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a really handy feature on Telegram for PC that you might not know about yet. How to turn on call notifications with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram account on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're signed in, take a look at the web address bar at the top of your browser. Right next to the URL, you'll find a small padlock icon or an info icon. Click on that to view the site information. This is where the magic begins. Now, in the drop-down that appears, you'll see an option for site settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various permissions for Telegram on your PC. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Permissions. Under this section, you'll find a setting for notifications. Click on the box next to Notifications. This will let you choose how you want Telegram to handle notifications for calls. Finally, choose Allow from the options presented. This simple step will ensure that you receive notifications for incoming calls on Telegram, keeping you connected with your friends and family effortlessly. And that's it. You're all set to receive call notifications on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.